Florida Keys. There's a place called Kokomo. That's where you wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand, tropical drink melting in your hand. We'll be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band.
Hey, John, you can go home for the night, man. Just, get the glasses and you're good.
You sure, Duke? Because last time I didn't polish these, they left marks all over the glasses.
It's fine. I got them. Go enjoy your summer, man.
All right. You're the boss, boss. Ladies. I'll be off in like 10 minutes. 10 minutes? Hey, Duke.
Yeah?
Where'd you get all this cool stuff from?
A lot of it's from back home.
And where's that?
Santa Monica, California.
Is that you?
Yeah. Me and my buddies are senior year of high school back in '64, believe it or not.
Still talk to any of them?
On from that photo.
Why not?
Long story.
I don't know, man. Friends just don't stop being friends.
Sometimes they do. It's been 10 years.
It's automatic when I talk with old friends. The conversation turns to girls we knew when their hair was soft and long, and the beach was the place to go. The suntan bodies and the waves of sunshine, the California girls and a beautiful coastline, warmed up weather. Let's get together and do it again. Oh,
10 years. Miss any of them?
Yeah, I do.
Have you tried reaching out?
They wouldn't want to talk to me.
You know that, man. They could be missing you right now.
I doubt it.
with a girl, the lonely sea looks good in the moonlight. Makes your night times warm and out of sight. And so long.
Messed up. You're never gonna want to talk to me again if only you.
It's been so long.
I don't know.
Hey, now, I gotta get you out of this funk. So I got an idea. You need to write this down, okay? Listen to me.
Well, I've been thinking about all the places we surfed and danced and all the faces we missed. So let's get back together and do it again. Oh.
All right, John. You want to know how this all happened? It was the first Thursday of winter break, the day before the state championship football game where I was playing quarterback. And everyone was at the beach.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody be surfing Versace sandals too. A bushy, bushy blonde hairdo. Surfing USA. You catch him surfing at Del Mar, Ventura County lines,
Santa Cruz and Trestle, Australia's Nairobi,
all over Manhattan, and just so anyway.
everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA.
Hey, what's your name?
Duke? And you?
Barbara Ann.
Nice to meet you, Barbara Ann.
We should go surfing sometime.
Yeah, totally, sure.
Groovy.
Yeah, catch some big waves.
Okay, well, I guess I'll see you around. Duke.
Oh, buddy, what a stone cold fox. No kidding.
Ba. Man, she's something. Ain't you fellas?
What's the matter? Cat got you done? I know. Let's help our buddy get her name right.
Ba 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 Barbara Ann. Ba 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 Barbara Ann.
Take my hand,
You got me rocking and a rolling, rocking and a reeling, Barbara Ann. Ba 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 Barbara Ann. Went to a dance, looking for romance. Saw Barbara Ann, so I thought I'd take a chance. Barbara Ann. You got me rocking and a rolling, rocking and a reeling, Barbara Ann. Ba 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 Barbara Ann.
I had it all. Star quarterback with a full-ride scholarship to a D1 university. I was riding the wave of my life. Then in one night, everything just went wrong. I lost the best friends a guy could have ever asked for, and I lost her.
I may not always love you, but long as there are stars above you, you never need to doubt it. I'll make you so sure about it. God only knows what I'd be without you.
If you should ever leave me, well, life would still go on, believe me. The world could show nothing to me, so what good would living do me?
God only knows what I'd be without you.
That's why you have a doctor.
Yeah. Well, nothing ventured, nothing gained.
Stay on the beat,
get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around, I get around, round, 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 I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around. I'm getting bugged driving up and down the same old strip. I gotta find a new place where the kids are hip. My buddies and me, you're getting real well known. Yeah, the bad guys know us and they leave us alone. I get around, round, 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 I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, I get around, get around, round, round. We always take my car, cause it's never been beat, and we've never missed yet with the girls we meet. None of the guys go steady, cause it wouldn't be right to leave your best girl